Hello everyone, my name is Mohammed Awad, and this is a tutorial on how to use Nearpod. Nearpod is an online interactive tool that allows you to create interactive lessons that allows for formative assessment throughout the lesson. It also allows you to create your own videos and use pre-made material. So let's get started by creating a lesson. So first, we're going to go to create a lesson right here. And then we're going to add slides. Here you can upload files that you already have. You can create new content. So let's add a slide. And then the slide can be any of these. Can be a website, can be a 3D simulation, can be a video, a VR field trip, a PDF, or an audio file. Or it can just be a regular slide. So and this also has many tools that you can use. So if you click, for example, on VR field trip, and we'll put, for example, Egypt. So this here, for example, is the Giza in Egypt. You can preview it, and it will give you a it can be used as a VR platform. So let's add this here. All right, so now we're gonna add another slide, and from here we can choose a variety of activities. So you can gauge the student understanding of your lessons in real time, and it also automate lesson grading. With open-ended questions, students can explain their thinking, and teachers can share these results anonymously to highlight strong answers and tackle misconceptions without putting anyone on the spot, as all the responses are recorded. You can add open-ended questions, quizzes, multiple choice, memory test, flip grids, or polls to check for understanding. The newest one here is called Time to Climb. This is actually a really fun game that allows the students to compete while they're answering the questions during the lesson. So, for example, if we take here Math K2, so this is the question. We added the answer here. You can add another answer, and you can add multiple questions. So let's just save this one for now. So you can also upload files. You can go to your Google Drive, or you can choose directly from your computer. Okay, so this is our lesson. We can add an activity. Okay, so we can add also a video viewing from the web, like for example, it can link directly to YouTube. Okay, so here also these are pre-made videos that we can use, but let's go ahead and add an interactive video. So for example, let's go here, Animodo tutorial. YouTube. So yeah, there we go. So this is a video that I added. So let's create here, save it. Now you can add activities at different points of the video to check for understanding. So I can go here and add a multiple choice question, What color was the sky? Answer blue or yellow. And save it. So now, let's delete this because I didn't put an answer. Save it here. And you have to choose the correct answer. So now, when I save this video, and it plays at the minute 2:33, it will come up with a tutorial. So let's save and exit here to see what this looks like. So I'll call this lesson 1. And we'll choose 6th grade social studies. All right, let's teach this lesson. So there's 3 methods of teaching. Okay, there is live participation, where you're going through the course with the students, and it's linked to Zoom as well. Or live participation, where you connected with the students in a classroom environment face to face, or student pace, which is the students completed their own time. So let's do live participation. So this here, it gives you a code that you give to the students. They can access it. You can share it on email or Google Classroom, so they can access from their Chromebooks. And once they start, they can start with the VR here. Then there's the time to climb game, which will ask them questions. Since there's no players here, the players would come up here, and then it will basically they were raised to the top of the mountain by answering the most correct questions. There's also a whiteboard that can be used to write on and explain problems and work them out for the students in the middle of the classroom. So if there's any clarifications or any questions, you can solve them here. And of course, you can highlight and box. All right, thank you.